Streamlit and Chainlit are popular AI app frameworks designed to simplify building AI-powered applications. Streamlit excels at creating interactive data apps quickly, while Chainlit specializes in managing conversational AI workflows. The core difference lies in their focus: general AI apps versus conversational experiences. Streamlit is an open-source Python framework that enables developers to build interactive web applications for data science and machine learning projects. It works by allowing users to write simple Python scripts that automatically generate clean, reactive user interfaces without needing front-end expertise. Streamlit's strength lies in its ease of use and rapid prototyping capabilities, making it ideal for data visualization, dashboards, and AI model demos. It supports various media types and integrates seamlessly with Python libraries like Pandas and TensorFlow. However, Streamlit is less specialized for conversational AI scenarios and can require additional tools for chatbot-like interactions. Its simplicity sometimes limits highly customized UI designs or complex multi-user applications. Streamlit is best suited for data scientists, AI researchers, and developers who want to quickly showcase models or data insights with minimal setup. Chainlit is a Python framework tailored specifically for building conversational AI applications. It provides tools to manage dialogue flows, user inputs, and integrate large language models efficiently. Chainlit works by structuring conversations as chains, allowing developers to define how AI agents interact with users step by step. This focus on conversational workflows makes it strong for chatbot development, virtual assistants, and interactive AI agents. Chainlit supports integrations with popular language models and offers customization for conversation logic and UI components. However, it is less suited for general-purpose data apps or dashboards and may require familiarity with conversational design principles. Its specialized nature means it's perfect for developers focused on creating interactive AI chat experiences, but less ideal for those needing broad data visualization or non-conversational AI tools. Streamlit and Chainlit serve different but complementary purposes in AI app development. Streamlit shines when you need to build quick, visually rich data apps or AI demos, especially for analytics or model visualization. It offers simplicity and speed, but lacks built-in support for complex conversational flows. Chainlit, on the other hand, excels in creating chatbots and conversational agents by managing dialogue states and integrating language models seamlessly. The trade-off is between Streamlit's broad applicability and Chainlit's deep conversational focus. For example, if you want a fast AI-powered dashboard, Streamlit is ideal. But if your project requires multi-turn conversations with users, Chainlit provides the necessary tools. Choosing depends on whether your priority is interactive data presentation or conversational AI workflows. Choose Streamlit if your goal is to rapidly prototype AI data apps or dashboards with minimal coding and a clean, intuitive interface. Opt for Chainlit when building conversational AI applications that demand structured dialogue management and seamless language model integration. Both frameworks excel in their domains, so selecting the right one depends on your project's focus and the AI experience you want to deliver.